Open! Open sesame! Ah! Hi guys, I am Jasmine Jolie and welcome to my YouTube channel where I talk about hair care, skincare, love and lifestyle. If you're new to my channel, welcome. You should totally go check out my first YouTube video where I did a step-by-step tutorial on how to create your own vision board in 2020. On today's video, I'll be doing an unboxing. Yes, I will be doing an unboxing and I am super excited. Oh my god. So I ordered for hair hair tools. I ordered for hair tools 2 days ago and I haven't been able to unbox it because I've been super busy and I couldn't open it because I made up my mind that I was going to do an unboxing with you guys. So it took all the self-control in me to hold on till today. So I am really excited to check what I ordered for. A little background story. If you've been following me on my Instagram, you know that I've been talking about how my hair has been breaking a lot lately and I've been contemplating on whether to trim it myself or not. So I finally decided to trim it myself, and to be able to do that I decided to order for a pair of hair shears because this is the first time I'll be trimming my hair by myself. So I am super nervous and excited. All my life my mom's been the one helping me trim my hair, but because she'll be unable to trim it for me because of the whole COVID-19 and how I can't go see her, I have to do it all by myself and I don't want to get it wrong. So I decided to order a pair of hair shears. It was a bit difficult finding stores in Lagos that have hair shears. Either they were out of stock or they just had the regular pair of scissors, and I didn't want to use the regular pair of scissors because, you know, I need to use all of the right tools so that I do not trim more than I need to trim, or, you know, start telling myself stories that touch the heart. Finally, I found a store called Salon Tools in Festac, Lagos, where I was able to get a pair of hair shears. In addition to that, I also saw a comb set that looks really nice and had some combs that will be useful for my hair type. So I decided to order that in addition to a detangling brush. Without further ado, let's get right into it. So this is what was delivered to me. So let us open this up. For the purpose of this, I got a pair of scissors to open this because oh my god, I need to be really careful. Okay, I think okay, I'm liking what I'm seeing already. Open sesame. This kind of packaging, you will think this was an interstate order, interstate delivery. Okay, this looks nice. Guys, see, this looks really nice. Yeah, so this is the detangling brush that I ordered for. The detangling brush I ordered for, I think I got it for 1,000 naira. I think 1,000 naira, yes. And oh my god, I was looking for the pair of scissors. I'm like, oh my god, they forgot to add my hair shears. Like, oh my god, that was the most important thing. But then I found it. It's really tiny. It was hiding at the back. So this is the pair of hair shears I got. Open it. Okay, this is nice. And then this thing right here is for finger support, I guess. So snip, 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 snip. So this is the comb set that I got. This is it right here. Right here. That's what it looks like. So I'm just going to. Oh, okay. All right then, I actually needed two sets of combs. I needed two sets of combs to help with my trimming. I'll be using either of these for my trimming video, which will be going up in 2 weeks time. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you need to trim your hair, you should totally look out for a pair of hair shears. Just pick a pair of regular scissors to cut your hair. Make sure you only use it to cut your hair. If not, just get a pair of hair shears, and you know that that's strictly for your hair. I had so much fun unboxing. I am super happy that I waited to unbox with you guys. I mean, it was totally worth it. Watch out for my next video where I'll be trimming my hair by myself for the very first time. Oh my god, I am super nervous. This video will be going up in 2 weeks time on a Sunday. You should totally subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notification so that you would get a notification when I post my video. Always remember, you're beautiful in and out, and you deserve the best. Don't let anybody take you for less. So take care of yourself, guys. Bye.